So welcome to another session of Elvis Math Drive tutorials. So today we are going to delve deeper into how to use our calculator to simplify exponential equations. The reason why this particular tutorial is very useful is because during multiple choice examination questions, using your pen and paper to solve exponential or to simplify exponential expressions manually will be very difficult and sometimes impossible. So the calculator will always be of assistance. So you have to always learn how to use the calculator to do basic computations like what we are about to learn. So let us move on to some simple examples. So now I am going to demonstrate to you on how to use the calculator to solve exponential expressions. So these are the questions that we are going to solve. But after you have gotten the knowledge, you can apply it to any other expression or any other exponential expression that you encounter. So kindly pick your pen, paper and your calculator and follow suit as I demonstrate to you on how to solve exponential expressions using your calculator. So now these are the questions. So let's move on to the first question. Because it is a fraction, then meaning we have to make use of the fraction sign on the calculator. So that is what our input first. So this is the fraction sign. 9 power 1 over 3. So this is the power sign too. 1 out of 3. And just multiplying 27 power. Just multiplying 27 power negative half. So that is all for the numerator. So we move on to the denominator part. So for the denominator, we have 3 power negative 1 out of 6 times 3 power negative 2 out of 3. Power negative 2 out of 3. Okay, so I have successfully inputted the expression into my calculator. So after you are done with this, what you have to do next is to simply press on the equal to sign and the calculator will simplify the expression. Okay, so the answer to this whole expression is 1. And trying to apply all the indices rules will be very cumbersome in instances of multiple choice questions. So learning how to use the calculator will be very useful as I initially stated. So this is all for the first question. So I expect you to try your hands on it as I demonstrate it to you. So let us move on to the second question. So the second question is also having the same structure as the first question. So let me press on my AC to clear what I have initially done. For the second question, we also have a fraction of what? 25 power 2 out of 3 divided by 25 power 1 out of 6. All on 1 out of 5 power negative 7 out of 6. You have the questions right. So let us move on to the demonstration. So it is a fraction, so we always start with our fraction sign. So 25 power 2 out of 3. Divided by 25 power 1 out of 6. So power 1 out of 6. So I hope you are monitoring the combinations that I am using. These are simple combinations, so kindly follow suit. Now when it comes to the denominator, we also have another fraction at the denominator, and that one too has been put in a bracket. So we just typed it as that has been written. So I open my bracket and input the fraction 1 out of 5. Power negative 7 out of 6. Okay, times another fraction 1 out of 5 power 1 out of 6. So 1 out of 5. Power, so this is the power sign as I initially stated, 1 out of 6. Now, because the expression is too large, that is why we cannot see all of them at the same time, or we cannot see all of them simultaneously on the calculator. So we are done inputting the expression, and what is left for us to do is to simply tap on our equal to sign for the calculator to simplify the expression. Okay, so that is it. So the answer to this whole expression is 1. So in cases of multiple choice questions, you just follow this demonstration and arrive at your answer as it has been demonstrated like this. Okay, so let us move on to the third example. So I press on AC to clear the calculator. So the third example is just a simple expression. 216 power negative 2 out of 3 times 0.16 power negative 3 out of 2. So you just input that into the calculator. So the third example, 216 power negative 2 out of 3. 216, so this is 216 power, this is the power sign, negative 2 out of 3, negative 2 out of 3 times 0.16. So the 0.16 is in bracket. 0.16 power negative 3 out of 2. I will have to press on the fraction sign first. Then I'll input the numerator, which is negative 3 down negative 2. I know these combinations are very simple, and I know you are also enjoying the video. So we are done inputting our expression. What we have to do is to press on our equal to sign for the calculator to simplify it for us. So our answer is 125 out of 288. So if you want to convert this particular fraction into decimals, just come and press on the SD. So 0.434027. So now try the fourth example and put your answer at the comment section. I'll review it at the appropriate time. Thank you for joining this particular lesson, and I hope we had an amazing time together. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because there will be more amazing content like this in the near future. Thank you and have a nice day.